Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this story speaks to the fault line that cuts through the whole Nigerian space. So the fault lines that cuts through the whole Nigerian space is about religion and ethnicity, and this particular story speaks to the two of them. So with that guys, I bring you this. Ganduje vows to sue Wike over alleged demolition of a mosque. So that's the headline. Ganduje vows to sue Wike over alleged demolition of a mosque. So let's find out exactly what happened. Kano state government has vowed to institute a legal action against Rivers State in Nyesom Wike over the demolition of Rainbow Town Central Mosque located at the Trans Amadi area of Port Harcourt. A press statement by Abba Anwar, our chief press secretary to Ganduje, described the sad story of mosque demolition in Rivers State as shocking and promised that necessary legal action must be taken over the happening. According to the statement, Ganduje would institute legal action against this demolition of the mosque as well as contest it with appropriate authorities for redress. Anwar quoted his principal as saying, "We received this information with a high degree of shock, and I am assuring the general public that all necessary action against this demolition will be taken through appropriate authorities." He therefore called on the public to remain calm and peaceful as they were enjoined to, and go about their normal businesses. Ganduje said, "As government, we have started touching appropriate quarters against the demolition. Kano State is known for peaceful coexistence between Muslims and Christians. We should therefore improve on that and remain calm and peaceful. People should live peacefully with one another." So now this is now the response of Kano State to Governor Wike of Rivers State allegedly demolishing a mosque. So now let's look into this. First, did Governor Wike actually demolish a mosque? And if Governor Wike demolished a mosque, why did he demolish that mosque? So now why would Governor Wike demolish a mosque? Well, there could be several reasons. The building itself might not be structurally sound, so that could lead to demolition, and then that building might well be used for purposes other than it was originally intended for, so that might well also have led to demolition, although that should not really lead to demolition. Or it might not even have the right planning permit. So there can be several reasons for him having to demolish the mosque, and I'm sure that's not the only mosque in Rivers State. So that particular mosque being demolished might well have nothing to do with religion. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is, why is Governor Ganduje taking this particular position? It's nothing to do with him. He's in Kano and Wike is in Rivers State. Well, there are several reasons why Governor Ganduje would be taking this position. The first reason, of course, is he is a Muslim, and you know Muslims are quite fervent with their religion, and they're quite militant when it comes to their religion. So that's the first reason. The second reason is he has a very large population within his state, the second largest state in Nigeria, and within that large population, you have a significant Christian population within that. So now, what he might well be doing, and as I already said, the Muslims are quite volatile when it comes to their religion. So what he might well be doing is preempting the actions of his people and to say to them, look, don't take the law into your hands because I'm already taking legal actions against this guy. So that might well be his move as well. It might also then be, and almost certainly is, a populist move. So he seized this opportunity to tie in with these people even more, because you know at the moment Ganduje is under scrutiny and the people are against him for that dollar pocketing thing that we saw. So he might well be using this now as something to realign the people to himself and to make the people want to love him more and all that kind of stuff, because now he's effectively taking taking front charge in this charge against what he is now having them perceive as an attack against their religion. You know that an attack against their religion is an attack against all of them. That's the mindset within that particular religion. So all of these permutations are in play, but how does it play out? Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. This yawa that is about to burst between Governor Wike and Ganduje. Who do you think the winner will be? Because Governor Wike, he has his own rascality too. If you think you're a rascal, then you will find that Governor Wike is as rascal, if not more rascal than you. So how this plays out is something that we'll watch and wait to see. But as we watch and wait to see it, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified every time we discuss topics like this. Then once you've done both, come join me in the comment section. Let's share thoughts about this. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.